Buenos días, gracias por venir a mi canal. El tema del día es el Empiro de la Garnacha, Campo de Borja, denominación de origen protegida, y una de las bodegas más conocidas, Bodegas Borsao. Hello, this is Greg the Wine Traveler, and today we're going to explore the wines of Bodegas Borsao. Campo de Borja is a wine region in Aragon, but right outside the town of Borja is Bodegas Borsao. It's a very large facility, and they have a little tienda just on the road into town. Bodegas Borsao is pretty famous as a Campo de Borja wine that we can get here in the United States. Campo de Borja is desolate, not a lot of people. It's dry, it's hot, but there's always the wind, or at least a breeze. In this land, the Garnacha grape has been adapted over centuries, and it's perfectly adapted to this climate and its conditions. The first wine is the Bodegas Borsao Garnacha 2018. The aroma is earthy and deep, not really fruity, a lot of leather and a little bit of a smokiness. The flavor, it's got the fruit in there, a little bit of cranberries, sour cherry, but it's not a fruit-forward wine at all. It is an old world Spanish wine, and you also are going to get the spiciness in there as well as the earthiness. I'm going to serve this wine with paella. Wait for the end of the video so you can see how I make paella at home. The next wine is the Bodegas Borsao Tres Picos, 3 Peaks. It's 2018. It is also made from Garnacha, but from a low yield location, and so the flavors are much more concentrated. Let's give it a try. That's definitely a Garnacha. That is a very aromatic wine. Maybe strawberry, maybe plum. The tannins have smoothed out a little bit. This wine would be perfect with charcuterie, chorizo, ham. There's a little bit more tannins in here, as far as I can tell. You know what would really go good with this wine is an old-fashioned American grilled cheese sandwich. Next, everybody, hang on for my video on how to make paella. Salud! Ojalá que todo vaya bien. Gracias.